In this video, I'm going to show you how to export and import sections or an entire notebook in OneNote, step by step, so you can back up your notes, move them to another computer, or restore them whenever you need to. This is super useful if you want to keep a copy of your work safe, share a notebook structure, or transfer a section without having to rebuild everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's look at how to export an entire notebook. Exporting a full notebook bundles all of your pages, sections, and attachments into a single local file archive, which makes it easy to store or move later. Open the notebook you want to copy in OneNote. Make sure the notebook is fully loaded and that you're working in the correct one before you continue. Next, click File in the top left corner of OneNote. This opens the Backstage menu where you can find the export options. From there, click Export. You'll see different export choices on the screen. Under Export Current, select Notebook. This tells OneNote that you want to export the whole notebook, not just a single page or section. Now go to Select Format and choose onepkg, which uses the .onepkg file format. This is the best option for exporting an entire notebook because it keeps everything together in one file. Once that is selected, click Export. OneNote will now ask where you want to save the file. Choose a storage location on your computer, such as your desktop or a dedicated backup folder, and then click Save. After that, OneNote will create the package file for you. Depending on the size of your notebook, this may take a few moments. When it's finished, you'll have a complete backup that you can use later to restore the notebook or move it to another device. Now let's say you only need to export a specific section instead of the full notebook. That's easy too. Right-click the section tab you want to export. This can be helpful if you only want to move one chapter, one topic, or one part of your notes without exporting everything else. After right-clicking the section, choose Export, then select the location where you want to save the file. Under Format, choose OneNote section, which uses the .one file format. This exports just that section by itself. When you're ready, click Save to create the file. Once the export is complete, you'll have a standalone section file that can be opened or imported later. Now let's move on to importing an entire notebook back into OneNote. This is the part you'll use if you've saved a backup or downloaded a notebook package and want to restore it. First, locate the .onepkg file on your computer. This is the package file you exported earlier. To begin the import process, simply double-click the .onepkg file. OneNote will automatically launch and display a prompt asking where you want to unpack the notebook. This is where you choose the destination for the restored notebook. Enter a name for your notebook so you can easily recognize it later, and then choose a folder path or location where the notebook should be created. Once everything looks correct, click Create. OneNote will unpack the notebook and place it into your sidebar navigation. After the import finishes, you should see all of your sections and pages loaded back in, fully intact and ready to use. This makes it a great way to recover notes, clone a notebook, or move content between accounts or devices. So, to quickly recap, if you want the full notebook, use File, Export, Notebook, and OneNote package. If you only need one section, right-click the Section tab and export it as a OneNote section file. And if you want to restore a notebook, just open the .onepkg file and let OneNote unpack it for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple OneNote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.